Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using only 2 fingers. It's got these clamps here, keep these ramps from rattling. It's a real good design. Got one over here. Flip these clamps up. As far as this ramp, it's got a handle over here. Look here, 1 finger on this. All it takes is my index finger. I am not a superhero. It's just real easy to do. 34.5 inch wide ramp, which is 4.5 inches wider than the side entries. That's one reason I like these rear entries better. Does taper down to about 33.5 inches wide right here. Give a 33.5 inch wide wheelchair. This is one of those single chair. Hold 1 chair, 60 inches of room here. 56 inches coming in the door, 58 inside of headroom. So the nice thing about this is you can get up to 5 people at a time, and a wheelchair. You see your seats back here. These can also fold down. So say you got someone back here and you don't want a big wall here between you and them. You can fold these seats down so there's not a wall. They feel more included, part of the group up there, you know. So you can fold all those seats down if you want to. Headliner looks great. Dash looks good. I don't see any cracks or holes in the dash. Got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Auxiliary cord there, dual climate control rear air. Plenty of cup holders, plenty of plug-ins for your electronics. Got more cup holders, so I think you can have about 6 or 8 drinks in here if you like to. So we do give a free set of pull tight, Q straight tie downs away for the rear here. And when you got everybody secure, come back out. Look here, look again, 1 finger. That's all it takes. So easy to do. And those electric ramps and doors are nice, but when they go bad, they are so expensive to fix. Now, I'm not talking 500 bucks. They can get in the thousands real quick. So even if you don't buy from me, if you can get by with one of these manual ramps and doors, I strongly suggest it. Exterior of the van, tinted windows in the rear. All the tires are between 8 and 9/32, so they're not brand new, but they're sure not far from it. Walk around to the van, very clean. Hard to find a dent or scratch in this thing. Whoever's had it's taken great care of it. Very clean, very nice. I'm not saying it's perfect. I did see one small little scuff right here, probably smaller than a dime, but that's really the only dent I can see on this van. The roof looks good. On the interior, we always show you the VIN number. That way you know I have this vehicle in my possession. This is not some internet scam. Speaking of that VIN number, we always show you a Carfax report. I'm going to scroll down on here. You can look at this as much as you want. Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They guarantee no total loss, never been structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer checks out good. Does show an accident of April of this year. I'll show that to you here real quick. As you scroll down, you can look at this for yourself, but you can see it looks like the oil was changed 23,498 miles, so very recently. April of 21 shows damage to left rear, damage to left side, damage to undercarriage, vehicle towed. I'll show that all to you here in just a minute, but we do show you a Carfax. Not only do we show you a Carfax, you can look us up on eBay. You can see our ratings. We have 826 transactions. Never had 0 negative feedback. It's 826 business deals we've done, and no one's left us negative feedback. At 826 and 0, I'd say that's a pretty good record. You can also look us up on Google, see all the nice things people are saying about us. We have 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. Nobody in the country goes the extent we do to show you, what you're getting with these videos, Carfax reports, pictures, but also we show you our reputation. Check people's reputation, know who you're buying from. There's a lot of crooks out there. Don't get scammed by one of them. Alright, before I show you the interior, Carfax show damage to the left side. Everything looks good over here. Everything's nice and straight. All the body lines are good. I just like, this is what I'd be looking at if I was, from my perspective, when we bought this vehicle. Show damage to the undercarriage on the left side. Everything looks nice and straight underneath here. I don't see any damage. I don't see anything bad. So these insurance companies, they fix these things. Small accidents happen, but like the Carfax said, no structural damage, Airbags never went off. You know, a fairly minor bump is what it was, is what it sounds like. So, to the interior, I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Very clean. The seats in the back, like I said, this is rare. It'll hold 5 plus a wheelchair. So if you got a big family or a bigger family, need a little extra room, this van is a great option for that. Got all manual sliding doors, so less to go wrong. I got 2 keys, 2 fobs here. Current mile is 24,722. So that oil change was just, what, 1,000 miles ago. All the airbag light work, check engine, all the lights work. None of them come on, so there's no dummy lights on. Let's pop the hood. Before I do that, we check the power mirrors, power windows, power locks. We've got 3 mechanics that work for us. We do not just throw these vans on the lot. We inspect them, we drive them, the heat, the air, the cruise. We touch every button. We inspect these very thorough. Underneath the hood, I don't see any signs of any damage, any accidents. The engine idles smoothly. You can hardly even hear it running. Got your emissions control sticker there. When we buy, we look for signs of flood. We look for signs of accidents. We look for leaks. I don't see any of those on this van. Underneath the van, very clean. I don't see any signs of any accidents down here. No leaks, no abnormal rust, nothing like that. So everything looks good. And you know, that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because, you know, a vehicle only has 24,000 miles on it. They assume because it looks good in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. And my point is, go look at my competition. Go look at their website right now. That's fine. I'm sending you to the competition. That's okay. Go look at their pictures. Do they have a video? Do they have a Carfax report? Do they show you their reputation? You know, so they buy a lot of these. I know they do, from the East Coast. They buy them all rusted out. They don't show you the undercarriage. There's a reason for that. You know, they don't do walk around videos. You can hide anything in pictures. I mean, look at online dating. So you can just hide a lot in pictures. So demand a detailed video, just like this. Do your due diligence. People get burned on the internet every day, you know, not knowing the full story. If someone's going to say a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 vehicle, and they won't get off their backside and get out and make you a video, I mean, who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? So just beware. There's a lot of crooks out there. So let's get the van out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans up on the highway so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy, that it runs and drives nice, the steering wheel's nice and straight with no unusual vibration or noise. With all that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They start at 90 days and go all the way up to like 8 years. So talk to me about that. Let me know how we can help protect your investment, folks. Also keep in mind, there's a lot of dealers out there with a real nice price online. What they don't tell you about is all their hidden fees. They have document fees for $500, tag fees, administrative fees, freight fees. Next thing you know, then you got to factor in shipping, which they're making money on that. Next thing you know, that price online where they told you it was $30,000, well, it's really about $33,000 by the time you get the van. Our price is no hidden fees and it's free shipping. So you do the math. I know you're smarter than that to fall for all those hidden fees. And my other thing is, if someone's not going to tell you the real price of a van, if the van says $30,000 online, shouldn't it be $30,000? Not $31,500 or not even $30,500 after fees. It should be what they say it is. You know, if someone's not telling you the real price, if they're hiding money from you, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding an accident? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding a salvage title? Are they hiding mechanical issues they know about but they're not telling you? You know, I don't know. I just know if someone's not being honest from the get-go, if they're being deceitful from the start, I can guarantee you there's probably something else they're hiding as well. So that's for you to decide. Just giving you a perspective of someone that's been doing this for 10 years. So I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp so you can see. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And hey, if you want to give us a phone call, 316-262-9999. Vans. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. Hey, I want you to ask those big companies. I want the owner's cell phone number. Are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Because the number I just gave you is my cell phone number, and I am the owner, and I am committed to customer service. So ask them. Ask those Braun companies, Freedom Motors, Mobility Works, the big Braun, the big VMI Corporation. Ask them, can I have the owner's cell phone number? I don't want the salesman's number. I want the owner's number. See if they're committed enough to customer service to give that to you. And by the way, mobility316.com, www.mobility316.com. This guy wants to come in my lane. All right. Okay, so check us out. Detailed videos, Carfax reports, dozens of pictures. We go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting. And we do have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. We can send one to your phone or email address as well, so let us know how we can help. And we do take trade-ins. Talk to me about those. And we even buy back vans if you're no longer using them. So give me a call, go over things with you. I'll be happy to help. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.